Today, we are diving into one of the most valuable skills in artificial intelligence, that is prompt engineering. Whether we are using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, or any modern UI, knowing how to ask is just important as knowing what to ask. We will learn the exact prompting techniques professionals use to build smarter AI applications, reduce token cost, improve accuracy, eliminate hallucination, and even create complete AI workflows. By the end of this video, you will know more about prompting than most AI users. So grab your coffee, open your Colab notebook, and let's begin. First thing first, let's open the project file. Open my GitHub, link is available in the description, and click on Google Project Repository. Then click on Prompt Engineering Masterclass 2026 folder. Here you will find Prompt Engineering Masterclass 2026 notebook. Copy the notebook URL and then navigate to your Google Colab account. Click on the file, then open the notebook. Click on the GitHub and then paste the URL here. Now you have notebook saved in your Google Colab. Now start T4 GPU by clicking the T4 Connect button on the top right corner. When we run the first cell, we will get warning that this notebook is not authorized by Google. Click on Run Anyway to continue. We import Google Colab's built-in AI module. This gives us access to generative AI. Simple prompt. Everything starts here. A simple prompt is nothing more than asking AI a direct question. Simple prompts are fast. Simple prompts are easy. But simple prompts usually produce simple answers. Remember this, simple input create simple output. Good versus bad prompts. Here is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They blame AI. In reality, the AI isn't confused. The prompt is confusing. The bad prompt is vague. Great prompt is clear, specific, and intentional. The quality of our output almost always reflects the quality of our instructions. Better prompts gives better answers. Compression prompting. Here's something many people ignore. Every extra word costs token. Every unnecessary sentence costs money. Compression prompting tells AI to communicate using fewer words while preserving the important information. Less text, same value, low cost. That's smart prompting. Structured output. Have you ever asked AI a question and received wall of text? I definitely have. That's because you never told it how to respond. Instead, ask for bullet points, tables, steps, section. A structured prompt create a structured answer. Cleaner, faster, much easier to read. Keyword prompting. Sometimes you don't need paragraphs. You only need the important ideas. Keyword prompting extract exactly that. Think of it as getting the highlights instead reading the entire book. Maximum information, minimum tokens. Minimal context prompting. Many users paste an entire document into ChatGPT when only 3 sentences were actually necessary. More context isn't always better. Relevant context is better. Give AI only what it truly needs, nothing more, nothing less. Reusing previous output. Here's a professional trick. Don't repeat the same context over and over again. Instead, use the previous response as foundation for the next task. Build step by step. This saves token, improve consistency, and create natural AI workflow. Step-by-step reasoning. If there is one prompting technique you should remember from this entire video, it is this one. Breaking problem into logical steps dramatically improves reasoning. Complex problems becomes manageable. Mistakes become easier to avoid. Great AI doesn't rush, it reasons. Self-correcting loop. Even AI makes mistake, so why not ask it to review its own work? Generate, critique, improve. This simple loop often transform a good answer into a great one. Think of it as giving AI a second chance to impress you. Meta prompting. Before solving a problem, ask AI how it plans to solve it. Planning before execution leads to better reasoning, fewer mistakes, and more reliable answers. Professionals don't just ask for answers, they ask for strategy. Constraint prompting. Creativity is powerful, but constraint create consistency. Set limits, define the tone, specify the audience, choose the length. The more boundaries you provide, the more predictable results you get. Framing prompting. Framework gives AI a repeatable thinking process. Instead of random ideas, you guide the reasoning, problem, causes, solution, benefits, actions. When AI allows a framework, consistency follows naturally. Delimiter prompting. Sometimes AI get confused about which text matter. That's where delimiters comes in. Using symbols like triple backticks or hashtags clearly separate instructions from the content. Small change, huge improvement. Role prompting. Want AI to think like a lawyer or a doctor or a software engineer or a marketing expert? Simply assign it a role. Changing the role instantly changes the expertise, vocabulary, the writing styles. This is one of the easiest way to transform our results. JSON output. If humans are reading our responses, paragraphs works fine. If software is reading our responses, JSON is the king. Software outputs are perfect for APIs, automation, databases, and AI application. This is where prompt engineering meets software engineering. Error checking. Never assume your first answer is perfect. Ask AI to verify facts, identify uncertainties, highlight possible errors, then regenerate if needed. Trust but verify. Branching logic. Real-world decisions aren't always linear. Sometimes the answer depends on conditions. If this happens, do A, otherwise do B. Branching logic allows AI to think dynamically instead of following a single fixed path. Iterative refinement. Professionals rarely expect perfection in one attempt. Create version 1, improve it again. Every iteration gets smarter, cleaner, and more polished. Great prompts evolve. Prompt chaining. Instead of asking AI to do everything at once, break the work into smaller tasks. Research, analyze, write, review. Each prompt builds on the previous one. This is the foundation of modern AI workflows. Pipeline prompting. Think of an assembly line. Each stage performs one job. Extract, explain, summarize, refine, format. Together they create a professional quality output. Knowledge distillation. One of the AI's greatest strengths is to simplify complexity. Turn technical documents into plain English. Convert research papers into everyday conversations. Explain difficult concepts like you are teaching a child. If you truly understand something, you can simplify it. AI helps us to do exactly that. Simulation prompting. Want to practice interviews? Test your customer support? Train your employees? Role play negotiations? Simulation prompting lets AI create realistic situations for learning and testing. It is like having an unlimited virtual practice partner. Hypothesis prompting. Researchers love asking what if. Hypothesis prompting encourages AI to generate possibilities instead of fixed answers. Perfect for innovation, research, discovery, and brainstorming. Decision prompting. Sometimes you don't want 5 options. You want one recommendation. Ask AI to compare alternatives, choose the best one, and explain exactly why clear decisions and clear reasoning. Parameterized prompting. Replace fixed values with variables, names, products, locations, dates. Now one prompt become thousands. This is how a scalable AI automation works. Error finding prompt. AI isn't only good at writing, it also excellent in spotting mistakes. Grammar, logic, code, calculations, hidden assumptions. Sometimes finding a problem is more valuable than solving it. Stress testing. The best prompts don't only work once, they work under pressure. Test unusual situations. Full AI workflow. Now it's time to connect everything. Summarize, extract, analyze, reason, refine, structure, automate. This isn't just prompting anymore. This is building intelligent systems. This is how professional AI engineers think. Memory prompting. Keep important information throughout a conversation. The AI remembers the context, so we don't have to repeat ourselves. Guardrail prompting. Every powerful system needs safety. Guardrails define what AI should never do. Good prompting isn't just about capability, it's also about control. Style transfer prompting. One idea, infinite writing styles. Professional, funny, poetic, academic, friendly. Change the style without changing the meaning. Multi-agent prompting. Imagine multiple AI experts working together. One researches, one critiques, and third one improve. Different perspectives often create better results than one AI working alone. Reflection prompting. Reflection is one of the newest and most powerful prompting strategies. Ask AI to examine its own reasoning, identify weakness, improve confidence, think before responding, and then think again. Sometimes smartest answers come after reflection. Congrats! We just learned 33 of the most powerful prompt engineering techniques used across modern AI systems. But here's the secret. Prompt engineering isn't about memorizing prompts. It's about learning how AI thinks. Once you understand that, you will stop getting average answers and start building extraordinary AI solutions. That's all from me. See you in the next one.